from actual customer implementation perspective. What are some of the key drivers for adopting RPA in the cloud that you've seen, Manish, or that you've experienced yourself at TaskUs? And how have these drivers evolved over the past year and a half, or from your overall experience?
Right. There are actually three key drivers for any successful implementation of RPA, especially in the cloud. First is that you need to have the ability to scale really quickly, and that was pretty evident during the pandemic situation. Second thing is to be able to keep the entire solution current, which includes the RPA platform as well as the automation solutions you have to build. And the third one is, of course, you need impeccable security for any solution you put together. So these are the three attributes that you would want to have for any cloud deployment, as a base. And secondly, on top of it, of course, you want ability to build automation in an agile fashion. So being quick to market. And second is to be able to measure the outcomes so that now you can have an ROI, you can demonstrate the benefits and so on. What we have seen is that pretty much all the capabilities that I described earlier for RPA, they become like an table stakes for any of the RPA solution to work. And luckily, having a cloud RPA platform really helps.